Hi everyone, it's Andy here again at Finlingo, and today we're looking at FCFF, the free cash flow to the firm, and calculating that from CFO. I think this is the second or third variation for how to do it under IFRS, which can make life a little tricky. So let's always take a look at the question. If you see US GAAP, breathe a sigh of relief. If you see IFRS, keep reading, there's some key information coming up. So we can see here we are under IFRS, and interest received and dividends received are both included in CFI. So they're off screen. Now, usually they're going to be in CFO coming into CFO, but here they're off screen in CFI, investment activity. So we need to bring them back on screen. So let's take a look at the basic equation. The basic equation there for US GAAP, and one of the four IFRS circumstances, is CFO, add back tax shielded interest, take away capital expenditures, gives you FCFF. But in this case, we have to add on two extra lines because our money that's off screen, our two bits of money that are off screen, need to be brought back. I need to bring back interest received. I need to bring back dividends received. And then that gives us the FCFF figure. So read questions carefully, especially when it says IFRS for the working out the FCFF. Anyway, back to the question. And let's go through this carefully. Now, usually I work out the tax shielded interest paid bit, put that in memory, and then I run through the equation in my head. You can use whatever method you like. That's just the way I do it. I find this very quick and very effective in real exams. So let's take a look then. Interest expense is 498, tax rate 6.50%. So 6.5 tax rate divided by 100 to get it decimalized, make it negative, and then add on 1, and that's my tax shield effect. Multiply that by interest expense, so multiply by 498, and then store that in 1. So that's going to be the interest expense bit when I run through the equation in my head, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so now we go through the equation. So it's going to be 15912, and then we're going to add back what I just worked out, recall 1. And then I'm going to take away capital expenditures. So we always do this bit, 3679. We'd stop there if we're on US GAAP, but those interests received and dividends received have to be brought back on screen. So we need to add those back. So interest received is 286 and dividends received is 850 plus 850. That's 13,834. I think that's going to round. It's going to round up to B, isn't it? 13,385. Let's have a look at C for fun. I think it's going to be B. We're going to cross our fingers, press B, and Bob's your uncle. And you can see there's the help there, and you can see that we've got the numbers there for how we should have calculated it, which is brilliant. So that's our second variation for calculating FCFF from CFO under IFRS. Let's take a look at the next question. Is it homework? It's interesting. Yes, it is homework. This, because we do have all four variations under the one question. But this one you can do again using the method that no. Interest expenses are both included in CFO. That's a different question. Anyway, watch the other video on that one, and I'll see you next time. Now, if you did like the video, please do like it down below, and also you can subscribe to the channel as well, and then that lets us know to keep making more content like this. In the meantime, do go to Google Play for Android and the App Store for iOS phones. Download the CFA Total Recall app. I'll see you next time. See you later.